Here with a blacksmith. Look at this, it's so cool.
That one, that looks hot.
Yeah.
That looks.
No,
That
this
was
one, look.
red.
You
Oh
just,
yeah.
You're just gonna hold it back, hold it here, both hands, and twist. Yeah, don't let your hand move up along it. Keep it nice, keep a good tight grip. And just bend the steel, so you're just twisting it nicely. That's it.
Oh, you're doing a great job.
Okay, so that's a nice bit of decoration now in the middle of your scroll.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Lovely.
As it cools down, it gets impossible to twist it more.
Oh, yeah.
Again.
She wanted to make something else instead.
Okay.
How can you see it?
You got a small hammer? That one? And start shaping it around there. Again. And again. Okay, so now what we want to do is, we want to scroll it back into itself. So we start from the back, then you hit it down. So we got to keep it in line as well, so we keep putting it on the side, hit it over, and you hit it down. Okay, so now we have to start with our scroll, yeah?
Oh, it's beautiful. What did you want to see doing?
Oh my god, like that way hard again.
Let's go with this one now, yeah? So it goes in, scroll and release, yeah? So get it in there, hold it back, scroll it,
Yeah, yeah.
release,
It's
go
coarse
to the
enough,
back,
yeah,
and go
yeah.
again. But you have to have a tight grip,
Really tight.
yeah?
Squeeze really hard.
Wow.
There,
Release, go
wow.
back, tight grip, so you can look, you can go in a bit more, yeah, so you get a better grip. Release, and go back. We don't see the heat because we're outdoors now, but that's
So
actually
that's
still
going to be
really hot.
boiling
Look.
hot. Yeah.
Is that why the blacksmith shops are so dark?
Oh yeah, of
Yeah.
On
course.
purpose?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
So that you can see
with
the
the
heat in it.
fire, what you're concentrating on is basic science, time, temperature, and color. That tells you if you're ready to go here. This is basic maths and geometry. If you get the science right, the maths are easy. If you get the science wrong, the maths are impossible.
Yeah, yeah.
Hello, how are you doing?
Good, thank you.
Hi, how are you?
Now,
Wait, das war wieder.
That's so cool. You're doing a great job.
keep running this forward. Look in there, you see the fan turning around? The fan is driving the air into the floor. That's the sequence.
Ah, oh, yeah, yeah.
And again. Grab it, tight, bring it around. Okay, tiny bit more. That'll do. Now, we go the opposite way, so you need your hammer now. Here. And also you got to be mindful from heating the steel, that heats up as well. So we got to be mindful not to put it down and pick it up, assuming that it's cold. Now, gently knock it that way. Okay, I'll put a bit of heat.
And every time they go,
Reach from the back, bring it right over. Get it down the way. Good, excellent. And then from the top, get it down into itself. Okay, hold on. Can you hit that into itself a little bit? Okay, and hit it down so it's even. So sort of, see the way you angled the hammer before? Just like that? Try to do that. Excellent, you got it. Now get your yellow brush.
Oh, so pretty.
Ready? Both hands on the brush and drag it back to you.
So is it just for the brass?
The brass is transferring with the heat onto the metal while it's still hot.
Yeah, it looks nice.
Yeah, I
Just
think
gives it a
it's
nice
lovely.
patina.
Oh, it's beautiful.
And now do the bottom bit. Okay, now listen.
Oh,
Outside in the daylight we don't see the heat,
yeah,
so we have to be super careful.
yeah.
So now you dry that off there and then pick a chord that you like.
Ah, that is beautiful.